All right, today we're going to bring a backup camera for the RV. So we do have a long toy hauler, and I'm going to show you here. But we don't have a backup camera at all, so we're going to set that up and see how it works. Who do you ask? Manual, the actual monitor, suction cup for the monitor so you can see it, and then the backup camera. The backup camera, if you guys can see it, it's just one connection. It's like an audio connection. That's pretty much it. It has a magnetic in the back. We'll put it up there. See if we could get this going somewhere in there. Either magnet or tied down. And then, of course, I forgot to mention one important thing on this. This is adjustable. So to get that image behind you. Alright, so one thing I forgot to mention. This has the power cable. It has that audio connection that look like connects there. But then you just have to worry about the negative and then positive. That's pretty much it. First time setting it up, go to menu. We're gonna pair it, right? And right now we have it right behind us, so we're gonna say okay. And look at this thing. We're gonna pair it to see if it picks up, and that's because we're gonna put it here, and it's gonna be right behind us. If you guys can see now, I'm gonna have somebody stand in the back. There you go. If you can see this, you're gonna set this up in the actual system here in the front of the actual car. But right now I'm showing you guys, so I don't have to show any license plates or anything. But look at this, it looks great, it works great. And like I said, if you're gonna do backup reverse camera, and you could do this, you could record your trips, all right? You could do all that stuff in the actual vehicle. All right, that's how we're gonna have it with the suction cup, and we're gonna have, if you guys can see, we set up the camera a little bit lower. Now it's adjusting. It's perfect. The car needs to be powered on in order to turn on the actual power on the whole system. You do need to power on the actual RV part in order to see the back camera, so power could be transmitted there. Press the brakes once, or maybe emergency lights, and the whole system should come up in case you don't have it come up, right? But very simple. Set that up. Hope you guys enjoy this video.